Hey guys, hope you're doing fantastic. I'm here at the Zuri Whitefield, just checking out the location for my 22nd February 2020 event, The Science of Influence. I'm here in the room, Impala, which is not currently arranged for our workshop, but this is the room just for you to have a quick look. Now, since I'm at the venue and we're talking about influence, I have a quick question for you. Who inside a company or an organization is the highest paid employee and why? The answer to the first part of the question is obvious. It's the CEO or the CXO team member that is highest paid inside an organization. The question is why? Answer is twofold. This is my version of the answer. You can agree, you can share your version of the answer in the comments. Works for me, okay? So what I think is there are two skills for which a CXO or a CEO is paid the highest. And the first part of that skill is decision making. Now, you must be thinking, as a manager, as a director, as a VP, as an HR, we all make decisions inside a company. Why then the CEO gets paid the highest bucks for his decisions? It's because of the consequences. As a consequence to the decision of a CEO or CXO, the company might prosper or it might perish. As a consequence to the decisions of a CEO or a CXO, a company can become a leader inside its market or a loser inside its market. So the consequences of the decision that you make, that decides your paycheck. So that's lesson number one. If the bigger the consequence of your decisions, the fatter your paycheck. Now the second skill that I think which is more important than your decision making is your ability to influence an entire workforce to align behind your decision or the goal you have selected for that quarter, for that year, for the entire organization. So it's not about positional power. It's about your ability, your capability to influence the entire workforce to align behind your vision, align behind your goals. If you cannot do that, you will never be an effective CXO. So there are two skills we discussed, decision making, and once the decision is made, as a CXO, you should be able to align the entire workforce behind your goal, behind your vision. That's where your skill to influence others comes in handy. And these are the two skills I personally believe for which the CEO or the CXO is paid the maximum. Hope that makes sense. And if you have not registered for this event, the Science of Influence happening here at the Zuri Whitefield on the 22nd of February 2020 from 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Go ahead and grab your seats now. The link for registration is in the description below. I'll see you hopefully inside the workshop. Have a fantastic day ahead.